What are the best affiliate programs for you to make some money in 2020 and beyond? I'm going to show you the 3 programs that you should be using and also the ones that you shouldn't be, despite what so many other people are saying about those particular programs. Hey, Andrew Woodward here, and on this channel we focus on the best online marketing strategies that grow your wealth, build a long-term business and allow you to work from anywhere using nothing more than your laptop and a Wi-Fi connection. On today's video, I'm going to show you the 3 affiliate programs that everyone looking to grow an affiliate marketing business should be using, and especially if you're a beginner. These are where you should get started, and I'll even tell you why. Now, before we get into the 3 programs that I think are the best and why they're the best, let me first address some of the misconceptions about affiliate marketing and the programs that so many others are telling you that you should be promoting. You see, I've looked around and watched a lot of others and what they're saying about the best programs, and there's some really bad advice out there. So up front, I want to say that you should stay away from programs that offer only small returns. While they may be big names that everyone knows, they're flooded with products and people that aren't really making any significant money. Yep, I'm talking about places like Amazon, Commission Junction, and Share a Sale. There are others, but you get the point. These programs just aren't going to make you the money that you want to make and that are going to make you a full-time business. You can spend hours and hours working these networks to sell hundreds of products for little return. And as I'm going to show you, it's a whole lot easier and more rewarding to sell a smaller number of products, but to achieve a much higher return. And more about that shortly. So they are the types of programs I recommend you stay away from. Now, when it comes to what programs you should be using, especially if you're a beginner, here are some things to look out for. When you first get started, it's highly likely that you don't have any experience, an email list, or an audience. So you're looking to build these core components of your business at the same time as trying to make some money. And this is a clue on what you should be promoting. The clue, well, it's to look for programs that you can participate in yourself to learn how to grow these core components at the same time as being able to promote and sell them too. Pretty cool, right? So while you can be learning the ins and outs of the affiliate marketing business, you can also be sharing programs to help others get started. And this is different to what you'll hear elsewhere, where people are pushing you into programs like Amazon that just aren't going to make you any real money unless you have a massive audience. The transaction numbers just won't add up for you. Earning a few dollars on a product here and there isn't going to keep you interested, right? Okay, so that's the background to the reasons why I'm going to suggest the 3 programs I have for you today. And thanks for watching the background that I've just given you, as I think it's important to understand before just spewing out a few programs and saying, good luck, do your best. So let's get into the top 3 I recommend for you, particularly if you're just getting started. So the first one is Partner with Anthony. And I'm starting here with Partner with Anthony because it's like a mini MBA in affiliate marketing and comes with an incredible amount of training to get you started in this business, starting from just $7 per month. And this program is a great starting point for you and for people who can help you get started in affiliate marketing. Now, I mentioned that I'd explain reasons why these top 3 are better than some of the other options being promoted. Well, in this case, with Partner with Anthony, not only are you getting an awesome education, but there are some other key components, such as entry-level products at the lower end, and then a natural progression to higher ticket offers. So PWA, as it's known, has a range of products that you can promote to earn small ticket money all the way up to higher ticket products that will earn you in excess of $1,000. One of the other requirements that I look for when suggesting a program or using it myself is that it has good tools and resources to support your promotion and growth. PWA is loaded with material to help you build your business, whether it be swipe files, ad copy, images, an affiliate resource center, and ongoing support. It has it all. So this is a great place to start and to continue to grow your business. Now, the second one is ClickFunnels. This is one of my favorites, not just because I really like the Russell Brunson story, but because it has an incredible range of products that you can promote. Now, if you're just getting started in your online business or affiliate business, one of the things you're going to need is a website. The second thing is you're going to need funnels. Now, if you aren't familiar with the concept of funnels, these are what you use to bring people into your promotions and guide them through a process to purchase your products. Funnels are king in this business. So when it comes to a website and funnels, ClickFunnels is the best tool available, and they have an incredible affiliate program to go with it. So while you'll be using the product, you can also use it to promote the vast range of low ticket through to high ticket products that they have to offer. And in terms of the reasons why I think you should consider these three programs, the thing that ClickFunnels does probably better than anybody else is that they have the best follow-up funnels, which makes sense, right? That's what they do. You can promote one of their low ticket items, like any of the free book offers, and once the prospect is in the ClickFunnels system, they'll be taken through multiple funnels to expose them to different offers that range from low ticket all the way through to high ticket offers. You'll be able to make good money from each of these offers. And again, one of the big benefits of the ClickFunnels affiliate program is their sticky links. What this means is that once you introduce someone to ClickFunnels, they're identified to you and they stick to you through their journey in the ClickFunnels world, meaning every time they buy something, you're rewarded. One of the other great features of the ClickFunnels program is the fact that you have the opportunity to win a car just by bringing in more and more people into the ClickFunnels world. Once you attain certain levels, you receive additional monthly bonus payments to cover the cost of a car, and that's pretty cool, hey? And finally, the third program that I suggest you promote is ClickBank University. Now, this one's a little controversial in terms of everything I've outlined already, but stick with me as I explain why. The reason I think you should promote ClickBank University and also do it yourself is that it's a great learning experience for beginners and has an awesome support center of resources to support your promotion activities. Now, the reason I suggest this one's a little controversial is because clearly ClickBank University is going to promote their own marketplace, which is similar in ways to Amazon, which I've already said you should stay away from. But the difference here is that ClickBank has some programs that meet the requirements that we've gone through already. That is, there are offers on the ClickBank network that have low entry offers that progress you through to high ticket offers, have great affiliate resource centers, and support their affiliates really well. So not only can you get a great education on growing an affiliate business, but you can also get training on how to use their marketplace to grow your business, select the right products, and ultimately make some money. And if you're someone that has or is contemplating creating your own product, you can get it listed on the ClickBank marketplace to make money from your own products. So there are my top 3 affiliate programs for you, especially if you're just getting started. And I hope today's video was helpful for you and revealed how you can get started in affiliate marketing quickly and effectively. And remember, you want to select programs that have multiple products from low ticket to high ticket, that have excellent support materials for affiliates and that want you to succeed. And in my opinion, the 3 that you should start with are Partner with Anthony, ClickFunnels, and ClickBank University. And don't feel that you have to do it all on your own. There's support available. And from my experience, it is the single most effective way to make the gains that you're looking for to grow your business. You know, I mentioned earlier, you can have me as your personal guide to get started. So thanks for watching today's video. If you're ready to start your affiliate marketing business and would like help to grow your business, then click the link below and let's get you started with me and the Partner with Anthony program so you can be earning commissions in the next 30 days from as little as $7 with my personal support and guidance that you won't get anywhere else. To continue to get these free training videos, make sure you click on the subscribe button and the little bell to let you be notified when a new training is released. And do me a favor, click the like button and leave me a comment below to let me know what you think of this training. I will read all the comments and reply to everyone. I want to hear from you and know whether this training was useful for you. And don't forget, to get started, click the link below to join me and my mentor in starting your affiliate marketing business and have you earning an income in the first 30 days.